Good evening, students. Students,
Evening, sir.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
I'm audible. I think so.
Yes, sir, you are.
So, tell your doubts in exercise 2.1 and 2.2.
Sir, no
Sir,
doubt, sir.
no doubts.
Completely.
It was. Tell me.
I have a general doubt. If we take set A, B, and C, then what would be the codomain?
No, actually, what happens, student? We define relation on how many set?
Okay, yeah, two sets.
So two sets only. The three sets. There's no question of three sets. We define a relation on two sets because what is relation? Relation means Cartesian product. Cartesian product of only two sets, not three and all. Okay, so on two sets only we define relation. So I think you understood, na?
Yes, and
Okay. Now, as you told that you people don't have doubts, so we'll start new exercise, that is function. Before that, write 2 points more. What 2 points? Write down. Note. If R is a relation on a set A. If R is a relation on a set A, means R is a relation is a subset of A cross A. If only one set is mentioned, means the other set is also the same. There is no doubt in that. If R is a relation is always subset of Cartesian product. So R is a relation on set A means R is a subset of A cross A. If I say, if the next point, if the order pair A comma B belong R, you know that in a relation there will be only order pairs. So if the order pair A comma B belong R, then we write it as, how to write? You can write A comma B belong R, or you can write this way. Like one student asked me yesterday, ARB. ARB means A is related to B by the relation R. A comma B belong R is same as ARB. Okay, now coming to the new topic.
Sir,
Sir, I have a doubt. What is A cross phi?
I think I have given you the notes. You can check it out. I will tell now also.
Yes, sir. Not what is, sorry. Number of relations is one, no, sir. Then what?
Tell again.
Sir, if I say there's a set A cross phi.
A cross 5 we cannot find now because A cross 5 is a null set. A cross null set is a null set answer now. I given this point.
So, but then one subset, right?
Huh?
It will have one subset.
But there's no order pair now. What order pair you will make? There's no order pair only now. Null set means, but what happened? A cross C, A cross B should be some set. In that set, you should have some order pair. But here, where we are getting order pair? We're not getting any order pair now. Only it is a null set. There's no order pair. So obviously we cannot talk about relation here. I hope you understood. No?
Sir, but we know the number of relations is 2 to the power pq, right? So it should be one. So I want.
How many element it has? It don't have any element.
Yes, sir. It won't have any element.
Huh.
So A is a subset. So the phi itself is a relation, no, sir.
Okay, phi is a relation. Then what is the question?
Sir, I was asking how does a relation form for a null set?
Very easy now. Actually, that also I have told you. I'll tell again. Suppose I say A is a set. One. Okay, A is a set. 2, 3. B is a set. 3, 5. So you know order pair A cross B. So 2 comma 3, there's no need of Cartesian product, directly you can write 2 comma 5, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. So you know that if I take a subset, then that will be a relation. But to take subset also, we make some rule. We describe a rule by which we take a subset. Suppose I want to take the subset null set, so I will describe a rule. So R is a relation. R is collection of all order pair A comma B, such that B is a multiple of A. B is a, no, here it is multiple is there. I'll take some other number then. Or somewhere else you can write. How to write? Suppose here multiple 3 is not there, 4 is
B is equal to
7
A
is there.
square.
That way also you can say. A is equal to B square. Suppose 3 is there. So I will define R is a relation A comma B such that A square is equal to B. This is the relation. So how many order pairs satisfy this condition? A square is equal to B.
0 of them.
Then obviously relation means you will not get any order pair. What order pair you will get? Null set only will get. No order pair. Because there is no order pair which satisfy this condition. This way we can make now.
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
And I gave such example before also. But it's okay. You can ask again and again. No problem. Any other doubt?
So is 5 comma 6 relatively prime to each other?
5 comma 6. What is the SCF? SCF
It's 1.
so
But in
relative prime.
the answers, they have not written it, sir.
Which
They have
answer?
mentioned the other elements, but they have not mentioned this.
But you're not telling the question only now.
So,
What is the
okay,
question?
fine. A relation R is defined from a set
Okay, suppose
A.
this student question we will do. A relation R
Is defined from a set A.
is defined from a set A,
Which is equal to 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and
okay,
5.
where A is equal to what?
2, 3, 4, 5.
2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Are you saying that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
To a set B.
Okay, one. Then you didn't told now. From a set A to set B is there.
Yes, sir.
Where A is this one, B how much, student?
3, 6, 7, 10.
3, 6, 7,
10.
10.
As following. X comma Y belongs to R.
R is a relation. X
Yeah.
comma Y belongs R.
No, sir, no, sir. Sorry, sir. It's X comma Y belongs to R.
Okay.
X is relatively prime to Y.
Such that X is relatively prime to R.
Y.
X
Y.
relatively prime
It's Y.
to
Y.
Y. So take the order pair which are relatively prime, means their SCF should be 1. So 2 comma 3 is correct because their SCF is 1. 2 comma 7 also correct. 3 comma 7 also correct. 3 comma 10 also correct. Then obviously 5 comma 3, 5 comma 6 also okay. 5 comma 7 also okay. Is this not the answer?
So, I just have a general doubt, sir. When you had given us few results, no, in the previous classes, like around 12 results you had given. So then in the exercise, when they asked to verify them, we can verify by using the elements given in the sets only. No, we don't need to prove it, right?
No, we don't have to
for
prove.
verification.
No.
Okay.
Okay. This girl who asked the doubt, is this not the
So
answer?
it would even be 4 and 3. 4 and 3.
4 and 3.
Also.
4 I forgot only now. 4 and 3.
And 4 and 7.
And 4 and 7. So now what is the doubt?
So in the answer section, they have not given 5 comma 6.
But 5 comma
Like-
6 are relatively prime, student. Maybe some mistake will be there. But
So yes, sir,
relatively
yeah,
prime means
just-
SCF is 1. This is the final answer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Very fast. Will any other doubt here? I'll erase the board. Now what happened? I will teach you.
Sir, I have a last doubt. I have a last doubt.
Okay.
Determine the domain and range of the following relations.
Okay, domain and range of relation. Domain and
Yes.
range of, all of you write down, of the relation. Which relation?
S is equal to set of A comma B such that
No, I'm not able
B
to write.
is
S
equal to
how to write?
is equal to A
Huh.
comma B in bracket A comma
Okay,
B
A comma B
belongs to B, like dot dot and B.
this is called such that.
Such-
Yeah,
yeah,
colon.
such that, yeah.
Such that
B is equal to
small
Mode
b is
of-
equal to
mode of A minus B, A minus 1,
A
A
minus
minus
1.
1. Yeah. A belongs to Z.
A is integer.
And mode of A is less than or equal to 3.
Mod of A is less than equal to 3. Just check, have I written correctly?
Yes, sir.
Other people also participate. We have to find the domain of a relation which is defined in such a way. Here they are not given elements. We have to take all order pair A comma B such that what is the condition? B is equal to mod A minus 1. A is an integer and mod A is less than 3. Directly we will use the formula or result. Mod A less than 3 means what is A? What is A then?
Minus
Greater
3 to
than
3.
Minus 3 greater than equal to A less than equal to 3. So A belong, A can be what? A belong, or A can be, A is equal to what? Which integer, student? Minus 3 to 3?
Minus 3
Minus
to
3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is A. Now start finding B. What to do? B is equal to mod A minus 1. So one by one you substitute A. So you'll get B. Substitute minus 3 only. Can we do orally? B is equal to what? Tell me. Substitute minus 3 here.
Minus 4
Yes.
minus 3.
Mod.
It's 4.
Mod.
Yes, sir, you get 4.
4, 3,
3.
2, 1, 0. Do fast. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Correct
Sir,
na?
do we need to write 1, 2 again?
Sir, we can
Something
remove
wrong I
this
wrote.
one. Sir, we can remove that 1 and 2, sir,
Yes, sir.
because they're common.
So I think 2 times it came 2, 1, 1, 2. So no need. Repetition don't want. So this is not there. So this much only. So according to this condition, we have found A and we have found B also, where 4 is correct now. This is, so now what they want, this is only domain now. A collection of first element of the order pair is domain. This is domain, and the collection of all the second element B is range. Is that correct, student?
Yes.
Yes, miss, correct only. Easy sum. Copy down. A means collection of all the first element of the order pair, that is domain. B means collection of all the second element, that is range. Understand the sum, it will be easy only. Keep on substituting the value of A and take mod, you will get B. Orally also we can
Sir,
do.
I have a doubt from trigonometry. Like, I forgot to ask the doubt. It's a very somewhat I didn't understand the question itself. Can I ask it, sir, now?
Ask.
Sir, the question is a regular hexagon and a regular dodecagon are inscribed in the same circle. If the side of the dodecagon is root 3 minus 1, then the side of the hexagon is, you have to find the
How to find?
That's what I'm asking you, sir. Like they have only
Sir,
given a
we need
side.
to draw the diagram and only.
Diagram. I drew the diagram, sir. I didn't get it.
Dodecagon has 10 sides, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or dodecagon has 12 sides, sir.
Sir, dodecagon has 12 sides, sir, because we said
12. Decagon has 10 sides. Dodecagon has 12 sides, na?
yes, sir, it has 12 sides because we said
Yes, sir. It has 12.
12 sides na, and hexagon has 6 sides. So
Yes, sir.
half of the sides. So use that logic and do, boy. Okay, I will do on the board.
Sir, give me only one
Don't
clue,
worry,
sir.
I will
Like
do it.
just draw the diagram and give one clue, sir. I'll just
Drawing diagram
Yes,
will
the
be
question.
difficult and 12-sided. How to draw 12-sided figure? So diagram will be difficult. Don't need of drawing all the diagram. Hexagon we can draw actually. Hexagon how to draw this way? Benzene na.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, if we imagine actually every two sides of the
Correct.
dodecagon will fall on one side of the hexagon.
That's how we have to do something.
Logic.
So suppose this is a hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. Dodecagon is difficult, student. 12 sides, it is little difficult to draw.
Sir,
Oh, sir, it's easy. That's what he said, right? Every side of hexagon, every one side of hexagon should have two sides of dodecagon.
But they cannot be collinear now. Are they collinear?
Sir,
you can give it a
just
try.
imagine it because the polygon can be shifted anyways.
So here I will draw like this way.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
that's-
sir.
that's
Yes,
what I'm-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Even
Correct.
I drew it.
Then what happened?
The thing is, I didn't understand how to find the side.
Sir, we can only take one part of the triangle because
That's why I'm telling the diagram not.
figures are regular.
So hexagon na. So what happened? Here center you take. So join this. Join this. Only one triangle is, this boy is telling correct only. One triangle is enough, not everything. So I will join the center. So so what happened? I think all of you can see now better. This triangle is better. So this is suppose P. P is the side.
Are you writing something on?
Are you writing something on? What is your question? Okay, what is the length of the side of dodecagon?
Can you write down the question first?
Root 3 minus 1.
I will write, student, but root 3 minus 1. Okay, so I will join P and O. So what is this central angle?
So won't it be
We can find a
30
central angle. 360 by 12.
Yes, sir, it should be 30 degrees
30
only.
degrees?
See, center in school only we do the central angle. How to find 360
Sir?
by 12? Yes.
I got disconnected. Could you just tell what is the question?
Wait, I will tell you. Let us do this sum. This simply one boy is asking one trigonometry doubt, so not so important for you. For that boy is important. I will tell you also. Don't worry. 12 threes are 30. So 30 degrees here. Okay. So for hexagon, how much this is? For hexagon, it is
60 degrees.
so hexagon leave. So this is 30 degree. This is root 3 minus 1. Can we find the radius? What is the formula of radius? Radius can we find? No right angle triangle now.
Sir, we should consider similar triangles, I think.
Sir, we can use theta, L or
If you know radius, we can find now. Radius.
Sir, we can use similar triangles, sir, like APO and OA and
Sir, I
the.
prove similarity.
Who is similar triangle, student? What are the similar triangles?
Sir, that intersection of diagonals you can see, sir.
That is okay, but you are saying this side now. But
Sir, we can use similar triangles because if we consider R as an arbitrary value and root 3 minus 1, we can find relationship between that and do it. No, sir. Because, sir, could you name the intersection point?
here,
Yes, sir.
is it 90 degree here?
Yes, sir. Obviously, it's 90 degree.
This is M. So can we use some theta and all, sine theta?
Yes,
No.
sir. AMO and OPO PA are similar, sir.
AOM and APM are similar.
No, sir, the whole triangle.
Which one? Name it.
Sir, OAM
OAM and
OPA.
OPA similar only. OPA. Wait, OPA, where is 90-degree, boy?
Yes, sir, that's not 90-degree.
Where you found this sum?
Sir, I found it in the J module, sir. It's in
Okay.
page number 3.15. The
J
question
model means?
number is 25.
J model means what? Sir, what's sir gave you?
Sir, what sir has given? Yes, sir.
Her sir.
Yes.
Okay. I think
Sir.
I'll tell you tomorrow. Don't worry. We are wasting time now. Let me think about it. Tell me.
Okay, sir.
It will be easy only.
Yes, sir. Even I am also thinking.
Sir, because we can find APF, sir.
When I also try once or twice.
Little bit of logic is there. I will tell you tomorrow. Don't worry. Girls, I will tell you tomorrow only this sum. So coming to our main topic, it is easy sum only. Coming to main topic, that is function. Write down fast. Function. So now we will study function. Write down first point. Function is a special type of relation. Function is a special type of relation, means it is a relation only.
So you gave that note, no? So that is under function or it is under relation only?
Points again, relation. Okay.
Yeah. It's
Function is a special type of relation, means it is a relation only. So all functions are relation, but all relation are not function. For 2-3 minutes, don't ask doubt. Then I will invite you to ask doubt. That time you ask. All functions are relation, but all relation are not function. Function is a special type of relation. Write down. Function is one of the most important concept in maths. It is one of the most important concept in maths. Now we will see the definition of function. Function is a special type of relation. So write down a relation. Actually, relation we write as R, capital R. Relation is written as capital R, but that is name only. We can give some other name also. A relation R means now we will say F. A relation F from a relation F from a non-empty set A. This is different A. A relation F from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a function if what happen, every ordered pair. No, I have to see then. Is a function if. Tell me.
So every ordered pair has a unique image.
Every ordered pair. Whose ordered pair, student? Every ordered pair of the relation, we don't say. Every ordered pair of the Cartesian product, we say. I'll check once. Don't worry. Every ordered pair. Every element of set A, they have tell. Every element of set A. If every element, no questions, I'll tell you when to ask. If every element of set A, here this word every is very important. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, one and only one, even this is important, in the place of one and only one, even we can write unique. A relation F from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a function. When a relation will be called as a function? When every element of the first set A has unique image in set B. If you're not understanding anything, no problem. Same thing we can write in one more way, or same definition we can write in one more way. A relation F from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, non-empty set B to a non-empty set B is called a function. When the relation will call as a function? When its domain is set A and every ordered pair in F have the same first element, and no two distinct ordered pair in F, and no two distinct order pair in F have the same first element. First element should be different. See, both the definition are same. I will explain both the definition. It is very simple. Student, function is a relation, but it has to satisfy some criteria. First, its domain should be set A. Means it is not like any relation is called a function. Every relation has domain and range. So if a relation is a function, its domain should be set A. Means complete set A has to be domain, which always doesn't happen. In a relation, domain can be anything. But if a relation is a function, its domain should be entire set A. And since a function is a relation, it will also contain order pair. In the order pair, every order pair should have the first element distinct. Like here, no two distinct order pairs should have the same first element. In every order pair, the first element has to be different. Same thing is written in the first definition also. A relation F from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a function if every element of set A, each and every element of set A, see, every element should have some image. It is not like somebody don't have an image. Every element of set A has only one image. So these are two definitions. There is a third definition which is more easy and able to understand, which I gave you earlier also when I was teaching you trigonometry. There also I gave this definition. What was the definition? Very simple. A function F from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is nothing but is a rule. Under this rule, what happened? Under which each element of first set, each element, here each is important, each element of set A is associated to a unique element. That is important. Unique is important. Unique element of set B. Function is nothing but a rule. Under that rule, every element of first set is linked to a unique element in second set. Every element should have image. That is important. And every element should have only one image. Suppose I give some examples of relation which are not function. I will draw ray diagram of some relation which are not function. Student, if a relation has to be a function, each and every element of first set should have only one and only one image. See here, some examples of relation which are not functions. Suppose I draw ray diagram, not ray diagram, arrow diagram. This is set A. These are elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is set B. We should have two non-empty set. Suppose here it is A, B, C, or suppose D also. Then suppose element 1 is associated to B, means image of 1 is B, image of 2 is A, suppose image of 3 is also B, no problem, and image of 4 is D. But this is that diagram. So tell me, is this this arrow diagram represent? This arrow diagram is definitely representing a relation, but this relation is not a function. Reason for that is, under this relation, the element 5 don't have an image. But what was the definition? Each element of set A should be associated to a unique element in set B. So this element don't have an image. So this is an example of a relation, which is only relation but not a function. I'll give one more example.
Sir,
Wait, I will attend your doubt.
So
Wait.
don't drop the arrow
Okay.
diagram.
Now I will draw one more arrow diagram, which you will.
So if you don't mind, would you explain these once, just briefly once more?
Don't worry, I will explain. So one more example I'll give you.
Sir, what was the last line you wrote under the third definition? Each element of set A
Is associated to a unique element of set B. Unique is important. This is suppose one more diagram I'm drawing. I think I should wait for you people, so I will wait. This is set A. Suppose it also has 1, 2, 3. It can have any element, don't worry. And here it has some elements A, B, C, D, E. Suppose I say 1 is associated to B, 2 is associated to B, 3 is associated to B, no problem. 4 is associated to E, 5 is associated to D. But suppose 4 is associated to C also. You can see here. Then
sir,
even
this is not a function.
This is not a function because each element should have unique image. Now 4 has 2 images, C also, no. E also and C also. So there is a problem. Only 2 points are there, student. First, in set A, every element should have image. There should be no element which don't have an image. Every element should have image, and every element should have only one image. Now 2 different elements can have same image. That is not a problem. 2 different elements can have same image. That is not a problem. But one element should have only one image. That is a problem. So these 2 examples are only relation, but they are not function. In the first case, the element 5 doesn't have an image. That is a problem. In second case, element 4 has 2 images, C also, E also. That is also a problem. So these are example of relation, only relation, but not function. Function is a relation in which every element of set A, every element should have an image and should have only one image. So simple it is. And here suppose there is no pre-image of set A, no problem. Some element can be left blank here, no problem in set B. Suppose I gave you one more example I will give. Shall I erase? Hey, shall I erase or not?
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will attend doubt also, don't worry. I will not attend doubt that way. Right, draw fast. Suppose I say some example of function now, not relation. Some example of functions. I'll give examples of function, arrow diagram. Suppose I'll give like this way. And you will study more in 12th standard, not now. Different types of functions. Suppose I say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here only 1, 2 is there. A, B. So suppose I say 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to A, 4 is related to B. Suppose it has one more element, C. So this is a function. You can see every element has a image, and every element has a one image. Two different element or three different element can have same image. That is not a problem. But one element should have one image, distinct image, and now every element should have a image, not distinct. Every element should have a image, and yeah, every element should have one image, unique image.
So, could you show an example where 2 to 3 elements have the same image?
I drew now here.
I mean, not an arrow diagram, like some sort of example.
1 has image A, 2 has image A, 3 has image A.
Sir, an example for that can be modulus function, right?
Yeah, modulus function.
So this is an example of function.
This is example of function. Some example of function. See, 1 has image A, 2 has image A, 3 has image A. That is okay. Every element has image, and every element has only one image. Here C don't have a pre-image, no problem. Some elements in set B has no image, means no problem. That is not a problem. So what happened? Very simple. I will repeat the definition, then I will attend your doubt. In order to check that a relation is a function or not, first function is a relation only. But not all relations are function, but every function is a relation. Since function is a relation, it will have order pair. So check the order pair. First, every element of first set, that is set A, should have some image. And every element should have how many image? Maximum one image. That is only the condition. Suppose I say, like one student is telling, give example. I say, suppose this is a relation. Relation is R. And R has a relation. Okay, R is a function, not a relation. Suppose R is a function. If you want, I can write F1 also. Suppose this is a function F1. It has order pair 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. Okay, and the set is, first set is, suppose I write set here 1, 2, 3. Second set is,
Sir,
nothing is.
sir, so can we tell that all functions are relations, but all relations need not necessarily be functions?
All functions are relation. 2, 3, 5. I think I gave a bad example, so I'll give again. Suppose we have two sets. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set B is.
So what did you just do before this? I got disconnected.
Then you will not understand. It is a difficult topic. You have to be there, but
no, not the whole thing. Like after this arrow diagram, what did you give?
Nothing. I'm doing now only. So suppose set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is 3, 5. Suppose I take a function or relation. So relation will have order pair. Which order pair? Suppose I say 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. So my question is whether this relation is a function or not. So you should say it is a function because every element of set A has image. 1 has image 3, 2 has image 5, 3 has image 3. No problem. And every element has only one image. So that is okay now. So in order to understand, in order to know that whether a function is whether a relation is a function or not, only two things you have to keep in mind. First, every element of first set should have image, and every element should have only one image. Suppose in a relation, if few elements don't have a image, then that relation is not a function. And if suppose it so happen that in a relation one element has more than one image, then even that is not a function. So it is so simple. I have given you three different definitions, but all represent same thing. Now you can ask few doubts if you have.
Sir, sir, then if one can have image as 5 also, no?
5?
Like,
no, if it has, Now one can has, then if one has image 5 also, then that is not a function, na boy. Function means it should have only one image. Suppose
Like I'm saying, instead of 3, can it have 5?
it can have any image, but it should have some image. That's the thing.
Sir,
It should have some image. Every element should have some image. Any image is okay, but only one image. Tell me.
sir, in the definition it's given ordered pair, right? Instead of ordered pair, there can be a triplet.
No. Relation means we studied only 2 sets now, set A, set B. Then we get order pair only. How we'll get order triplet?
Sir, can a function have a triplet?
No, function means 2 sets only, not 3.
Okay,
Three sets means then we do composition of function. So there are also 2 functions are there. That is different topic, but not one function. One function is defined on 2 sets only, not 3 sets.
Sir, can
First set
function
is
be
domain,
an,
second set is codomain. Tell me.
Sir?
Let this girl tell something.
sir, can function be an infinite set?
Function can be infinite set. It can be infinite set, but this condition has to be satisfied, student. That every element of first set should have some image and every element should have only one image.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I understood.
You tell the student, you tell what is your doubt?
Sir?
I'm listening, tell.
Sir, can a function be a function of itself?
Function defined on itself.
Yes, sir, because every relation is a relation on itself, no, sir.
Means you are saying that relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Every Cartesian product is subset of itself. So relation is that only. You are saying that way now.
Yes, sir. In that way, it is a function.
Function is a relation only, but this condition has to be satisfied. That every element should have image and every element should have only one image. Then it can be anything. Any relation can be a function. Any relation can be a function if these 2 conditions are satisfied. Only 2 conditions. Every element of first set should have image and every element should have only one image. Then any relation can be a function.
So, is there any formula to?
Is there any formula? You're lost now. Tell me what is the doubt? Is there any formula?
Sir, is there any formula to find the total number of functions for 2 given sets?
There is a formula, but 12th standard, that's the problem now.
Okay,
Not
sir.
now. You want now only? You
Sir,
want
is
now
it
only?
complicated?
Hello?
Sir, is it complicated, the formula for finding?
No, easy only. See, the
Sir,
formula
then
is.
it's all right. Then you can teach.
I should
Yes, sir.
teach. You will not
If it's
understand.
easy,
Formula
then
you will
okay.
understand, but how it came, you may not understand because it needs permutation combination.
No, sir, it's fine.
Sir,
Please
or
stick
else
to the
just give the
concept.
formula.
But there are many formulas, not only one
Sir,
formula.
I don't think so. You should give. You can stick to the concept, whatever is been
Very
supposed
good.
to be
So
taught.
give when it's necessary.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah.
Not necessary now.
Suppose I say not necessary, but suppose set A has how many elements? Set A has how many elements? Tell me. Set A has, in general, what we say, set A has how many elements? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, M elements. M elements. Number of element in A is M. Then number of elements in B is how many? General, how we write formula? N, suppose. So number of element in B is N. So number of element in set A is M and number of element in set B is N. Then how many function we can define? How many function we can define? The formula is N to power M. That many function. Our formula is number of element in set B to power number of element in set A. This is the formula. Second set you should write first. This is the formula. Number of element in set B by number of to power number of element in set A. This is the formula by which we can find how many function we can define. Suppose
Sir, could you explain it?
explain means we have, but explain also very simple, student. But most of you will
Sir,
not understand.
I think it's not needed. So only formula would be better.
Formula only will be better, and formula also 12th standard we will study, not now. But I can explain also. Just take 2-3 minutes if this boy can
Sir,
understand.
No, sir, it's fine. You told that it's difficult. Yeah?
No, easy only. Not other things are difficult actually. This is easy. This one, this formula is easy. Suppose I give an example now. See here, 2 minutes I'll take, not more than that. If he can understand, is okay. Otherwise, no need. 12th standard only study. Suppose I say here 4 elements are there. Suppose 4 elements. Which one? A. Okay, 4 elements. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. Here, 2 elements. A, B. Now tell me, boy. You only should tell who has asked out. One can be associated to how many? Which element?
Sir, either A or B.
So how many options for one?
2.
2. How many options for this second element?
2. And for 3 also 2.
2. So answer is what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to power 3. That only I gave not. Here 2, here 3. 2 to power 3. Came or not came?
Yes, sir. It came.
Easy only. Suppose here n elements are there. Here m elements, here n elements. So each element has how many options?
N options.
First element has n options. Second element also has n options. Third element also n options. So how many n's are there?
M times.
So if you multiply m times, so if you multiply m times, what you will get? N to power m only.
N to the power m.
Easy only, but is okay. Next year you study. I think something you understood, na?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. So other people ask some doubt regarding what I taught function. Student, I will tell last time. If you very simple function is the last definition also you can remember. See, function is a function f from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is nothing but a rule. Under that rule, each element of set A is associated to a unique element of set B. Here the word each and unique is important. Every element should have an image and every element should have only one image. So simple it is. Girls, can I ask some doubt? Girls, ask some doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, no doubt means good only. Now see here. Next point, write down. Next point. If f is a function, if f is a function, f is a function means f is a relation also. If f is a function and function what does function contain? Function contain order pair, because relation also contain order pair. If f is a function and a comma b belong f, then we write, what do we write? We write a f r b, a f b means a is related to b through f.
Sir, function is a subset of relation, right?
Subset of relation. Or function is a relation, not subset of relation. It is a relation only, student. Function is a relation. All functions are relation, but all relation are not function. Function is a subset of Cartesian product. That way you can say. Nothing you understanding, student? What is your doubt? Tell me.
Understood, sir.
Student, what is B called as? B is called as, what is B called as?
It's a pre-image of A.
B is called pre-image. B is called
image.
B is called image of.
Okay,
A,
sorry. A is pre-image of A.
Under F. Under F. B is called image of A under F, and A is called, write down, A is called as pre-image of B under F. Under F. B is called as image of A under F, and A is called as pre-image of B under F. Last point, write down. If F is a function from non-empty set A to non-empty set B if f is a function from non-empty set A to non-empty set B, then we write, what do we write? We don't write so big sentence. Then we write, just we will write like this way, f colon you put A to B. This means f is a function from A to B, that much only. We write this way. If f is a function from non-empty set A to non-empty set B, then we write, no need of writing so big sentence. Just write f colon A to B. F is a function from A to B. That is more than enough. So with this, your theory part is over. And student, I'm again not teaching you, but you know what is domain, codomain and range. First set A is called domain. Second set B is called codomain. And the collection of all the images is called as, tell me, collection of all images is called as what?
Range.
So same definition as relation, so no need of giving again, but I will give you an alternative definition of domain and range, which I gave in the chapter called trigonometry also. Anybody remembers what definition I gave you? Student, actually what problem comes, suppose order pair is given to you. When order pair is given to you, it is very simple to find the it is very simple to find domain and range now. Order pair is given means very simple, because what you will do, you will take first element, all the first element say domain, all the second element will say range. But student, what happen, every time order pair will not be given to you, but then also you have to find domain and range. So what definition I gave in the trigonometry, tell me, that is again used here. How to find domain and range? In trigonometry, did I not give you definition? Write down domain. Alternative definition. What is domain? Set of all values of x for which function is defined. What is domain? Set of all values of x for which function is defined. Means don't take those values of x for which the function becomes undefined or the function becomes infinity. Do you remember something or not in trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
Don't take such values. What is range? Range means the values of x. Range means the values of y which we obtain. Already this definition is given to you. The values of y which we obtain on range means the values of y which we obtain on substituting the domain, that is values of x in the function. Student, in the function you put all the values of domain, means all the values of x. What answer you are getting, that is only range. And the values of x is domain for which the function is defined. Set of all values of x for which function is defined is called domain. The values of y which we obtain on substituting the domain, that is values of x in the function, is called range. Already in detail it is taught in trigonometry. I'll explain again. When order pair is given to you, when a function is given in terms of order pair, there is no problem in finding domain and range. Collection of all the first element of the order pair will give you domain. Collection of all the second element of order pair will give you range. But that way nobody will give you. Otherwise everybody can do range and domain and range. They will not give you order pair only. But then also you have to find domain and range. So how to find? You find the values of x for which the function is defined. Means you don't consider those values of x for which the function becomes infinity or the function becomes not defined. Those values don't consider. Remaining values you consider. That is domain. Those values you substitute in the function. What answers you will get? Y values. That is range. Ask some question if you have. Shall I erase the board?
So y is equal. Yeah, y is f of x, no, sir?
And what happened? Y means f of x. F of x and y, there is no difference. Y is only f of x. You write y or you write f of x. Both are same. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Now we can do the next exercise as well as the miscellaneous exercise, and then we will, after doing that, we will do some extra sums from other books and all, which we will do tomorrow. Extra sums. Now coming to the and more theory is remaining, but we can do the sums. That is not a problem. So coming to the, all of you see PDF, NCERT page number 44, exercise 2.3. Very
Sir?
simple.
Sir, which chapter are we doing after this?
Mathematical induction 2.3. First main is, which of the following relations are function? You know that all functions are relation, but all relation are not functions. So which relation are function? That is the question. Give reason if it is a function. Determine its domain and range. If it is a function, then only determine its domain as well as range. So student, what is the condition for a relation to become a function? The condition is, each and every element of first set should have image, and every element should have only one image. No two distinct order pairs should have same first element. Now this is the first part, very simple. We should start with the simple sums only. Now whether this relation is a function or not, here some problem is there. The problem is, relation is defined on two sets. Relation is defined on two sets, A and B. Those two sets are not mentioned in the question. So without that only we have to do. So obviously the first condition we cannot verify. What is the first condition for a relation to be a function? The first condition is, every element of set A should have image. Now set A is not given, then we cannot verify that every element has image or not. So leave that condition. Second condition is what? Every element, first element should have only one image. So what is the image of 2? 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1. No problem. Different element can have same image, but every element should have one image, only one image. So is that condition satisfied or not?
Yes, sir, it's satisfied.
Every element has only one image now. So actually there are two conditions. First, every element of set A should have image, but set A is not given. So that condition we cannot satisfy. So which of the following relation are function? The given relation is a function. The given relation is a function. Why it is a function? Because no two distinct order pair have same first element. Correct now? No two distinct order pair have the same first element. Or you can write, yeah, this is enough now. No two distinct order pair have the same first element. Girls, you can ask some doubt if you have. Every order pair has different first element. Means one element has only one image. Girls, you can ask some doubt if you have. Now if it is a function, means find domain. Domain means collection of first element of the order pair. So what is the collection? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. What is range? Collection of all the second element. What is second element? Singleton set, only one. You can see the difficulty level is very simple sum. Again, I'm inviting you people to ask doubt. You people can always ask doubt. Ashmi, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Ridha, Risha.
No, sir.
Easy na, this is question. What is second part? Second part, tell me. Order pair 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 7, 14, 7. Again, students, same problem. The first condition we cannot verify whether every element has an image or not. But every element has only one image that we can verify. Like 2 has only image 1. 2 don't have any other image. 4 also has only image 2. So same, the given relation is a function because no two distinct order pair have same first element. Domain means collection of first element of the order pair. Collection of first element is what?
So, if here they have given infinite set, then how do we write domain and range?
Okay, but let's
do we write a general formula instead of those?
General formula. Set builder method we will write.
Okay.
Sir, or we can write a universal set itself, because if it's an infinite set, it should be related to some universal set.
Yeah, correct. In general, we write. We cannot write in roster method. So collection of second element is the range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So simple. You can do yourself this simple sum. Till tomorrow, this exercise and the miscellaneous. If people try and ask me doubt, at least tomorrow miscellaneous would be over and we can do some extra sum. Third is what? Third part. Third part is order pair 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Now tell me, is this relation a function?
No, sir.
Because one has two
images.
The given relation is not a function. Not a function. Because the element, or you can write other way also, the element 1 has 2 images, that is 3 and 5, or 2 order pair. You can write the reason as 2 order pair have the same first element. That is also good only. 2 order pair has same first element means one element has 2 image. And if it is not a relation function, then don't need of finding domain and range. No need. So this first main is over. Now you have to select the question and tell me which one I should help you.
So the second question.
Yes, sir. Second main.
Second main. Okay. Write down second main question. Till here, if anybody has doubt, ask me. Function is very important actually. Second main. Find the domain and range. See, I told you before only that they will not give order pair always. Order pair is given means anybody can find domain and range. Without order pair only, we have to find domain and range. So the definition which I gave you, that you have to keep in mind. What was the definition of domain? Set of all values of x for which the function is defined. Means don't take those values of x for which the function becomes infinite or not defined. What is range? If you put those values in the function, what answer you will get? Y value. That is the domain. So this is the function. Here no set is given, no order pair, but we have to find
real functions is simply functions only, no?
Okay, that I'll teach tomorrow. But real function is a function whose domain is subset of real number, range is subset of real number. I will teach you tomorrow and give notes also. Real function is a function whose domain is subset of real number and range is also subset of real number. Notes tomorrow. Okay, answer. Find the domain and range of this real function. F of x is equal to minus mod x.
Sir, it would be negative real numbers.
No, domain. So do you think any real number is there for this function is not defined?
No, sir.
All real numbers are possible.
You put any real number, you'll get an answer. You'll not get infinity and all till you put infinity. Means for all real number, this function is defined. No need of doing some working also. F of x is equal to minus mod x. So domain is what? For all real number, it is defined. You can say real number R. Or you can say this way also, minus infinity to infinity interval. Any way you can represent. Range. Now range is a problem. Now see here, how to find range. Range means the value of y, means the range value of f of x. Now see here. Student, what you can tell about mod x? What is mod x value? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Any value you put, you will always get 0 or more than 0. Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
Now we don't have mod x, we have minus mod x. So multiply both sides by -1. No need of mentioning also. Multiply with
The
-1.
sign will change.
It will
When you
be
multiply with negative number, this
less than or
inequality
equal
sign
to
will
0.
change. This inequality sign will change when you multiply with negative numbers. So -1 you multiply. Minus mod x less than equal to 0. Minus mod x means what? This is only f of x now, y value. F of x is less than equal to 0. So what is the y value? Y means f of x. Range is what? Range
0
is
to minus infinity to
minus
0.
infinity to
Comma.
0 close bracket. Put
Yes,
right
sir.
properly.
Sir,
Interval
can
you
we
should write.
R minus,
Tell me, student.
sir, can we write R minus?
R minus what?
Real numbers minus. All
Minus
negative.
what?
real-
R minus R positive.
No, sir. Like all negative real numbers.
For range.
Tell again, student, what you want to write.
No, sir. All negative
Okay,
real.
okay. You want to write like this way. Like usually what we say, we write R minus like this way. R minus means negative
Yes,
real
sir.
number. Write this way only. We can write, but write this way. A teacher will get confused.
Thanks.
Write this way only. If anybody has doubt, ask me. This way you have to find domain and range. Order pair means anybody can find. Such questions will not come in competitive exam.
So, but for domain you wrote R, no.
R means real number now.
So why can't we write R minus for range?
You can write, but avoid now. Why somebody get confusion means write this way only now. We can write. I'm not saying, did I say you cannot write? Better to write this way so everybody is clear now. We don't use so frequently R minus, student. This is not used so frequently. R minus, R plus. It is used but not so frequently. So better write something very clear. When you write the exam, will you go again and go and explain what is R minus, R plus? You will not get an opportunity in board exam. You write something which everybody is happy. R minus also you can write. I didn't told you cannot write. R means everybody knows set of real number. Is this over or shall I explain more?
Done, sir.
Second part also I should do.
Yes.
Student, finding domain and range is little difficult. You have to practice more. F of x is equal to square root 9 minus x square. Again, same problem. Here they have not given order pair. Order pair means we can easily find domain and range. So one of you tell how to find domain here.
So the value of x. So
Yes,
which
close
See here, it
bracket
is root,
0, 3.
root of some number. We have to take those values for which function is defined. We should not take those values for which function is undefined or become infinity. If I say root x, for which value of x it is not defined, real number we have to take, not complex
So
number.
negative
If x is
values.
negative number means root is not defined in real set, because real function only they are saying. So x should not be negative, means whatever comes under radical sign should not be negative. So what happened now? We have to do some working. 9 minus x square should be what?
Greater than 0.
greater than or equal to 0.
Very good. It can be 0 also. Root 0 is 0. Till here doubt is there?
No, sir.
So what I should do? We can do directly also, but I will not do directly. Minus x square minus 9. Till here doubt is there?
No, sir.
Now multiply with -1. Don't cancel it. Cancel means 0 marks you people will get. Multiply with -1 both side. Then sign of inequality will change. If you simply cancel means that is wrong. So this is the correct thing. Any doubt is there? Girls?
No,
sir.
Whenever you don't simply blindly cancel it. 0 marks I'm telling you. Multiply both sides by -1. Sign of inequality will change. Now this is a formula which I gave long back now. What is the formula? I gave or not gave? What is the conclusion now?
Sir, it will be less
It is
than.
like mod only, student, mod.
Yes, sir. It will be greater than
Minus
less
3
than.
x less than equal to 3. This is the formula. So what is x?
Sir,
X
no,
is,
sir. Sir, it won't be -3 because the function will be undefined.
put minus 3, it is undefined.
No, sir, it is defined.
It is defined now. Yeah, it
So
is defined.
x is greater than equal to -3, less than equal to 3. So this is only domain. Domain, or you want to write neatly, you write domain, colon, close bracket -3 to open close bracket 3. Girls, you can ask some doubt if you have.
Can you explain the last step once more?
This is a formula, student. Like if you can do this way also if you are not. See, you can write this way also. Now square will go other side, will become 3. But don't write 3. You write, what to write then? Take square root both sides. So write mod x less than 3. This way also you can write. So mod x less than 3, you know now what is the problem. See, this way also you can do.
Yes, sir, got it.
This way you do or this way you do. Actually, long back I gave you formula. I will give now also when I give the notes. If anybody has doubt, ask me. Is there anyone who has doubt? Shall I raise?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find range. Now see on the board, range means something, there is something to learn here. See on the board, y is equal to, you put f of x or y, both are same. People don't copy simultaneously. Now what is y, student? Y is root of some number. Do you think root of some number is negative also? Root of 4 is what?
2.
Only 2.
Only 2. Positive. Root is a positive quantity. So y is greater than equal to 0 also. Y
No.
can be 0 also.
No.
Yes, sir. Y can be 0.
Y can be 0 or more
No,
than
how
0.
can a root be 0?
Square root 0 means what?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, no problem. So y is greater than equal to 0. So this is simply I wrote, put a box. Now again from the previous step. Now student, you want to find y value. You want to find a range value. So what you do, express x in terms of y. In the question, what is given? Y is given in terms of x. Y is equal to something. Now express x in terms of y. How to do that? Square root will become square on the side. So what it becomes? Y square is equal to 9 minus x square. From this step, student, square root goes other side. Then 9 will go, x square will go on the left, y square will go on the right. So now square will become square root. Express x in terms of y. Usually to find range, I will teach also in detail different methods to find range. But now NCERT means we can do easily. So what happened? In order to find range, express x in terms of y. So now proceed same way. Now what happened? What we got? X is equal to square root 9 minus y square. So what is the condition on 9 minus y square, student? 9 minus y square should be
greater than 0.
Greater than equal to 0. Same steps are repeated. Minus y square is greater than equal to minus 9. Y square is less than equal to 9. Y square is less than equal to 3 square. Y is greater than equal to minus 3, less than equal to 3. But don't close your mind. Here y
Yes, sir,
cannot be
because y is
negative. I
greater
told
than
now.
0.
Although we got y is more than minus 3, but we have to manipulate ourselves, because such questions I gave in, it came in trigonometry also. Don't only see the answer, you see whether that is possible answer or not answer. Here y is more than minus 3, but y cannot be negative now. Root of a number is only positive. So yourself only you modify 0. This is the answer. You purposely write 0 only. So what is the answer? Range is equal to, after getting the answer, you check the answer whether it is possible or not. Simply don't take the answer in range. Although we got minus 3 to 3, but y cannot be negative. So you modify and write it 0 to 3. Root of a number is always positive. Root is a positive quantity. See, I can see the textbook. Third and fourth sum are very simple. You try yourself. Shall I do fifth sum? Or this sum which I worked out, you can ask some doubt if you have. Whenever we are finding range, express x in terms of y. People give some response. Shall I proceed or not? Shall I? Which sum I should do? Are you people not there? Which sum?
Sir, fifth one, second part.
Fifth man I will do. Shall I do some sums from third man also? It is like
Yes, sir, just one for
one sum I should do.
Sir, it will
One
be-
part.
Sir, do the fifth one, sir.
Girls are saying something. Girls, third man I should do which part?
Sir, third main is just substituting the values,
Then
sir.
what? This is like 800 sum, 900. Very simple. Like polynomial do na.
yes, sir.
Only in the place of x put 0, then 7. You do it, then I will. Fourth man also same only. You try it tomorrow. If you don't get, I will help you. All of you, I think I agree na. Third man and fourth man are really very easy. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So shall
Yes.
I do fifth man? Fifth man I will do.
Yes, sir.
Actually, fifth man also easy only. Fifth man again same.
So you can do the second one of fifth
Second
man.
part. Fifth man, no need of finding domain, only range find. Fifth man. Find the range. That also some boy is telling second part only do. Girls, shall I do second part only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first part do
Better
yourself.
the whole question.
First part?
Sir, better do the whole question, sir.
Whole question. But domain and range, usually people, all student, your friend also will struggle to find domain and range. Every full year they will say how to find domain, how to find range. This is only problem. First part, very simple. Find the range of each of the following. Write yourself. First part, f of x. F of x means y. 2 minus 3x. X belong real number. X greater than 0. Student, what we have to find? Range. People pay attention. Don't write. Range. Range means y value. And what they have given? They have given x is what? What is the condition on x? Y is equal to what? 2 minus 3x. X is real number. People participate. X is greater than 0. What is x, student?
More than 0.
This is a positive
Write that
number.
only x more than 0. But that is not our question. I want to find y value. So here y value is what? 2 minus 3x. Multiply both side by, because minus 3x now, multiply both side by minus 1. Or directly you can multiply with minus 3 only. Minus 1 multiply both side. What is your right?
Minus x is smaller than.
Then multiply with 3 because I want to bring this expression. Multiply with 3. 3 positive. Positive is no problem. Minus 3x less than 0. You can multiply directly by minus 3. Till here doubt is there? Girls, do you have doubt?
No, sir.
Now what is there? 2 also there. So add both sides. No need of mentioning add 2 on both sides. Now 11 centimeters you can add directly also. Add 2. So 2 add means what I should get?
2 minus 3x
Minus
less
3x
than
Minus 3x less than 2. What is 2 minus 3x?
y.
Y. So y is less than 2. Miss y value is always less than 2. What is y? Y is range. So range is what? Less than 2. Miss what?
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity, infinity, minus infinity, open bracket, 2, 2, 2 also open bracket, over the sum. Sum is over. Y is always less than 2. So y less than 2 means it can be anything less than 2. So anything less than 2 means it can go till minus infinity. Student, if you have doubt, ask me. Tomorrow till miscellaneous, you people try and come. We are just dragging the portion. Do more sums, only domain range. But there is more thing to teach, but without that also you can do miscellaneous.
So what about the graphs of functions?
Just now I told we have to teach more things. So, but without graph
Okay,
also
sir.
we can do miscellaneous. Let us do first miscellaneous, then we'll study
So,
graph, then some extra.
range, shouldn't it be minus infinity or comma to closed bracket?
Yeah, equal to not then a girl. Why less than 2, not less than equal
Oh,
to
yeah,
2.
yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
Graph we'll study later. Later means next week. Second part we have to do. So what is second part? Second part is f of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a, definitely people have to try miscellaneous today and ask tomorrow. This is, we have to find x square plus 2. What we have to find? Range. Range means y value. All of you pay attention. Answer. Y is equal to x square plus 2. Again same logic. What is x square, student?
Greater than 0.
Greater than equal to 0. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Now what else is there? Plus 2. So add 2. So what we got? What is this value? X square plus 2. Y.
F of x is greater than equal.
So now y is 2 or more than 2. More than 2 means can go to infinity also. So range is close bracket 2 to open bracket infinity over sum. Only range, no need of domain. And definitely no need of codomain. All of you know what is codomain. The second set is called codomain. Third part, f of x is equal to x. X is a real number. These sums will come for less marks, like 1 marks, half marks. Easy na, this is. No need of doing so much working. Now f of x is equal to x. So what can be the range?
Minus infinity to infinity.
Whatever value you put for x, that only answer for y. X is a real number, so y is also real number. So complete real
So can
set.
we just write all real numbers?
No working now. That's why this will come. Now this will come in the exam is how much marks they will give you. Less marks only now. 1 marks like this way. Minus infinity to infinity, or you can write R. Range is R. Half marks, 1 marks question this is. Because x is all real number. Whatever real number you put, that is only the y value. So y is also all real number.
So here domain will also be R only, no?
Domain they didn't ask, but domain also real number. In all 3 real number only domain.
Okay.
This is defined for all real number x. Okay, coming to miscellaneous. Tell me which sum I should do. Or
So
select
do
each.
the first.
Could you do the example?
Which one?
19?
Example
It's
means
an
which?
example, but could you just work it out?
Which example number?
19th one.
19th one. Did you have you done that example? It will be easy only now. Let us do 19th example. What they are saying, but lengthy sum. Let R be a relation What is Q, student?
Rational numbers.
Rational number set Q to Q, not R to R. Defined by, what is this R? Hey, what is this R?
Relation.
Don't say real number. This is relation. Relation consists of all ordered pair A comma B such that A comma B belong rational number and A minus B is a integer. You should take such order pair such that the difference is an integer. That much only. Relation is collection of all order pairs such that the difference is a integer Z. Show that. We have a proof. Show that first part, A comma A belong R. Relation for all A belong rational number. Answer. So what you can say, student? A comma A. See here. What is the relation? People pay attention. Are you copying the sum? Copy them. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually,
Tell.
sir, difference of A and A is 0.
0. 0 is an integer.
Integer.
See here, relation consists of all the order pair A comma B such that A comma B is a rational number and difference of A minus B should be integer. Only those order pair. So A comma A belong R or not. So A comma A. A minus A is what? What is? Consider A minus A. What is A minus A?
0.
0. Is 0 an integer?
Yes.
0 is an integer. So, do you think therefore A comma A belong R or not belong R?
Belongs to R.
A comma A belong R because difference of first element and second element is integer. So over this sum, copy down.
So, could you explain once more? I wasn't really able to hear the whole thing.
No problem. Copy down first. See here, relation R consists of which type of order pair? Relation R consists of all the order pair where the difference between first element minus second element is an integer. If in a order pair, suppose I say, tell me 2 comma 3 belong R or not R? Does 2 comma 3 belong R?
Yes, sir.
Because 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is an integer. So 2 comma 3 belong. If I say half comma 1, does it belongs to integer half comma 1?
No.
Because half comma 1, half minus 1 is minus half. That is not an integer now. So half comma 1 doesn't belong the relation. So now they are saying the question is, tell me whether this order pair A comma A belong the relation. So A comma A will belong relation when the difference between the elements first and second is integer. A minus A is how much?
0. 0.
So 0 is integer now. So that's why A comma A belong relation. Student, I think Harsh sir has a class here, so I will dismiss the class. Is it okay?
No, you took 0, like you just simply considered 0 there, A minus A equal to 0.
No, A minus A is what?
Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry.
A minus A is 0 only now.
Yeah.
Okay, I will dismiss the class because sir is waiting for another class. Definitely do relation miscellaneous and ask doubt tomorrow. We have to complete this exercise and tomorrow and start new, more concept in relation function. Thank you, student.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.